Hello friends, suppose that you are standing at any shop and you are going to buy something from that shop where you are standing, and you want to create a conversation between you and your shop owner and with someone. So I think on that particular situation, definitely you can create a very easy conversation, and you can use some sentence. And sentence can be like this that I'm going to tell you. So if you're interested, if you want to increase your accent, so please watch this video till the end so that you could get idea how sentence is said, how sentence are spoken in English and with someone with confident and without getting any type of agitation. So actually, suppose that you are going to buy something, any deo, and you are going to buy any goggle, you are going to buy anything from that shop where you are standing. So on that particular situation, you can use and sentence are like so you can say to shopkeeper. Suppose if you want to check out a Google, so you can say uncle and sir and hello, hey, please show me that Google. And if you want to know about the price of that Google, so I think you can ask like this, excuse me, could you tell me please what is the price of this Google, because it is awesome, I want to buy it. So like this you can use. And suppose that you are going to purchase any deo, so you can on that time you can say like this, show me that deo, show me please this deo, what is the price of this deo. Oh, no, actually I have same piece in my home. Actually in this time I want to try something new. So okay, so what kind of deos, what kind of perfumes do you have, show me please this one, show me please that one, like this. And in the other condition, in the other hand, you may use like this, what is the price of this particular anything that you want to buy. It could be your deo, it could be Google, it could be handkerchief, it could be any gift, it could be anything that you want to purchase. So okay, so but actually I think you have to start, you have to, I think you cannot become expert until you start. That's why. And I think on that time you need, whenever you go to for any conversation, on that time you need increase your confidence. And always remember that confidence comes from all time practice. Okay, so actually the more you practice, the more you become master. So I think according to me, when you get time, you must do it, because your practice will make you perfect. Okay, so definitely you can do in easier way like this that I'm going to give you. So actually whenever I get time, making video and helping to other people, like you and other person, is my favorite thing. That's why I keep on doing this whenever I get chance. So and in the other condition, you can use some more sentence, and sentence could be like this. Suppose you do not want to buy anything, so you can say, you can say to shop owner, no, actually I do not like this, and in this time I want to try something new. And suppose if you are trying any product of that shopkeeper, so and you don't buy exactly, so on that condition you can say, no, actually I'm not satisfied with this product. Actually gloves and cap and top and jeans, it could be anything. And after using that product, you can say, no, actually it is not going to fit to me, so that's why I will not be able to purchase it. Do you have any other piece? And under condition, I think I can buy if you have any other piece, like this. So I think practice is in your hand, how much practice you can do. So please, my good wishes to all of you, if you want to increase your accent level, so please practice and keep practicing. Always remember, your practice will make you perfect. So I'll meet you in my other video. And if you want to something new, tell in my comment what kind of concept of English that you want, that you want to get. So I'll try my best, I could give you something that you want. And till then, have loving dream, and keep practicing, and get fun, and have some naughtiness, and have some madness, because madness is necessary in life. And keep music, keep dancing, and have fun, and love you a lot. And I will meet you. Bye bye, my friend. And please subscribe my channel, please, because I need your love. So bye bye, love you.